Hi everyone, welcome back. Welcome to StunnerShare channel. So it's been like the video posted in StunnerShare channel. It's on October 2022, and I went live in June 2023, but not much of views and all those. But looks like okay, and even Panguchandi also it's like a similar time. Okay. So what's my plan and what needs to be done and what are we going to see in this video? So it's clear, very simple, straightforward. So first of all, what are your thoughts? What is expected? Like, see, you will come to know by the head thumbnail and all those. You'll come to know that this is mostly on the Diwali picks. Many would have already shared, but I wanted to share about what all I gave on 2022 and how it has performed and what is that I'm going to do. And this will not be your one single video where I will cover all the picks. Maybe I'll split it up based on the need. I don't want the video to go super long. So say for example, I've started this video at 9:20. So I'll make sure the video goes till 9:30. After that, I'll make it sure that it goes for part 2. So that's my understanding basically. That's my plan basically. Before to that, what is that you guys are expecting? So I know that because it's been like way long. I have uploaded a video and I've been like on and off. So what's expected and all this I wanted to know from you guys. So that's it, simple. Okay, so let us first go to the Diwali pick recommended last year I posted this video in Panguchanda A to Z channel. You can see it. I don't know where. One sec. Yeah, here are the Diwali picks. Okay, so here are the Diwali picks which I posted on October 22nd. Just randomly October high I have taken it as recommended price, and based on that I have just calculated what is the profit and what is the loss and all those. So nearly like 11 picks I've shared, and out of the 11 picks, all 11 picks are like given profit, and the least profit which gave is Federal Bank, which is around 13%, and highest is around 160%, which is on Karnataka Bank. Okay, so most of the bank sectors actually did well, and one of the bank has really given good movement also. But from now onwards, like I've decided, it's not like from now onwards, I've decided from a longer time, I'll not be considering any bank stocks, any financial stocks, any alcoholic related stocks. I'll not be trading on it. I'll not be recommending it. So in the whatever 2023 picks which I'm going to share, all those bank stocks will not be there. Whoever wants to consider previous bank stocks and all those, it's up to your risk. I will not be recommending all those. Clear? So total profit is around 163. So if you would have calculated, it would have been given a good amount. Maybe like you can just calculate it, like if say for example you would invested 10,000 rupees on each and everything, and right now at the CMP, if you are exiting, what would be your profit and all those, you can calculate it. And more apart from that, these are the dividends given between the period October 2022 till October 2023, and these are the dividends which has been given, and I've also calculated the dividend percentage. So again, Karnataka Bank is the one which has given 5% dividend, and D-Link and Canara Bank has given 4% dividend. Okay, it's good to know and all these things. I have shared about the analysis and all those over there. Now what are we going to do? We are going to check on the stocks for 2023. Actually, I had a big list, but then I thought let's minimize it. So that's why I stopped it over here. 14 picks are there. In that 14 picks, we are going to take the Gold Bees, Nifty Bees, Dr. Reddy, Amaraja Battery, D-Link from 2022. And the recommended price is going to be the previous recommended price, and if you want, you can average it. And in the case if you are averaging it, I have just shared updated the average price as well. Clear? If you are averaging it on the whatever quantities you have, and if you want to average it with the quantity which is right now CMP, then that will be the average price, and that is what I've calculated and updated over here. So what is expected, how am I going to decide, and what is the plan, and that is what I'm going to say now. So let's forget about Gold Bees and Nifty Bees, because Gold Bees and Nifty Bees, I'm like super bullish on those. Okay, this is the gold picture. I'm going to go to the monthly chart. Okay, so this is the monthly chart. So what I could see here is like a long, very big cup and handle is what is happening. and it is trying to take support at the 50 SMA on a monthly chart. So my expectation is that a clean breakout can take it upside further, and I'm not expecting anywhere to go below this particular zone 1600 below. I'm not expecting it. If it goes, then maybe you can consider it as an SL, but I'm not expecting it to go below 1600, and 1600 is maybe the low which is formed for nearly a longer time. Okay, that is what my expectation. But if as per any dramatic situation happens, and if in case that breaks, and then that will be a good time to add. But again, see, right now gold is a very precious metal, and again gold is being considered as the one to replace money, or like for giving money, gold is the main factor which has been considered. So in the case of gold going to crash a lot, okay, in the case if that is going to be the case happening, then that means that they are not going to consider gold as a fiat currency, or like currency to replace it or something. Some other thing have to replace gold, and then only the possible correction or a crash can happen in gold. Until and unless it does not happen, it might that will not be much big issue in that. And again, say for example, if suppose government is going to take back all the gold, or like limit the gold whatever the public is having, then at that time maybe a crash might happen, because everyone wants to sell it, right? So at that time the crash might happen, but I'm not seeing that right now. So at least for one period. So that is why I'm expecting gold again to move upside. And again, one more thing, the difference between the stock and the gold bees is that I always prefer to sip the gold bees. I add on a monthly basis or whenever I need it. Okay, so even in the Telegram channel, whatever we have, whenever I go to gold, if you see, there are lot of possible views I have shared. Okay, so from 2022 here, I've been sharing like gold 11% exited for short term, SIP will continue. Gold has fallen from the top, and gold falling nicely from the day mentioned, expecting to go further this. And gold plausible levels are these. Gold might come towards this. So I've been taking, and see, gold looks good for a buy at this zone. Okay, and wait till RSI to below 28. And like this, I've shared lot of views on gold, and I've shared like good buy, small dip is also possible. So whenever I see any dip happening in gold, and that is the time where I always go and try to take the try to trade the gold. And even here, if you see the RSI is below 10, I've added the beast today, and this is happening on October 3rd. So whenever I see any good movement in gold or any good opportunity in gold, I sip it. So I do short-term trades also, I sip it in gold. So I cannot that is why I wanted to prefer gold in this first case. Okay. And then coming to Nifty Bs is also similar to gold, where let's not go to Nifty, but let's not go to Nifty Bs. Let's go to Nifty on a very bigger chart. So if you see, right now Nifty, I cannot say it is on a good position. Okay, right now Nifty is bit weak. Okay, but on a longer picture, Nifty is good. Nifty is good in the sense, on a longer picture, Nifty is good for a trade. Nifty can take support at 20 SMA again and go upside. So on a bigger time frame, I see Nifty has a very big picture and it can still go further upside. So that is why my expectation is that Nifty is all good to hold it for a 1 year. Even if it falls further, I'm not expecting it to fall at till here. Okay, I'm not expecting to fall till here. If in case it has to fall further, maybe it's like already from here 20,000. Right now it has fallen till 18,800, nearly, say for example 1,400 points. It has already fallen. So it means that 7% it has fallen. So more fall I can expect it towards 18,000. If further, say for example, if there is going to be a drastic fall to happen, I want Nifty to first push high, form a divergence and then fall. Okay, so my expectation is that Nifty can come towards 18,000 and then can go up, and after that a 20% fall can happen. So say for example, Nifty going to 22,000 or 24,000 and falling 20%, it will come to 20,000 only. So ultimately my expectation in Nifty is also like Nifty can also move further upside only. So my expectation is that let's not complicate things. I would say that Nifty is looking good for at least a year. So I'm expecting Nifty Bs to trade for the next year. So this is my analysis. I can be wrong. So coming to gold Bs as well as Nifty Bs, my expectation is that Nifty and gold can perform for the next year. And gold, I have mentioned it. I will be sipping it. I'll be trading it for a short term and all those. And Nifty, it is looking good, and any dip is also good. So any dip will be a buying. I'll consider it as a buying opportunity. So as I'm considering all this, I'm just recommending all this, or I'm just posting my views on these stocks, which I am going to take a trade on these stocks. So that is why I've shared these analysis over here. So it's up to you guys to decide whether you wanted to trade or not trade, or invest or not invest. I cannot be the responsible person for any losses. Okay, because see, I am taking a trade, and I'm sharing that I'm taking this trade, and I'm sharing that for this analysis I'm taking this trade. So it's up to you, like how much you wanted to put and what all these things do. Even if I take a trade, I know how much to put. So I know the risk which I'm going to take, and based on that I'll be taking. And whenever it falls to a worst price, I know whether to exit or average it. So see, for example, I can exit and I can average, but the time I have to post a video again and or a time to communicate, I'll not be able to do it on and like regularly. So that's why I'm telling you guys, take or know the risk and then go for it. So this video, out of all the 14 Diwali picks which I'm going to share, this video I've covered about the gold Bs and Nifty Bs. I hope this video has gone for 10 minutes, and that is why I'm limiting this video. I'm not going to take the videos for more 15 minutes, 20 minutes video. Or if you guys are interested for a lengthier video, do let me know so that I can make a video on that. So if you feel the content is good, like, share and subscribe. Clear? And in the next videos, you'll come to know about other stocks. How am I going to calculate it? How am I picked it? What is the reason for picking it, and all those things I'll be sharing it in the next stocks, next list of videos. Clear? Thanks a lot. Stay tuned for more videos.